In Polotno Studio, you can set and add different photos from existing photo library. So to do that, you need to go around on the photos section on the left hand side, and from Unsplash you can see that there's different photos that it is here. So you can go around and click right here, and the photo will be loaded just like this, as you can see right here. You can go around and place it wherever you want, resize it, place it wherever you want right here. If I were to go around over here on the top, there's the search bar, as you can see, and you can search for specific photos that you want. For example, I can go around and type in tree right here, just like this. So if I were to go around, type in tree and press enter, you can see that different tree photos pop up. I can go around and click right here, and this is what you have. Let us try red tree right here and press enter, and you can see that red tree pops up right here just like this. So the results pop up just like this, and this is what you have right here. And that is how you can search and add in photos that are loaded from Unsplash inside of Polotno Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe